Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some old unrestored Porsches. I got the idea when I found this one some time ago. This is a Siku Porsche 911 Turbo. It's metal on metal. There's two numbers on the base, one for the turbo and one for the convertible, the cabrio. This clearly is the turbo. The dashboard is loose inside and it's got a cracked A-pillar. So, but it is complete. So, next up is this welly. It's an older style welly. It just says Porsche on the base. It looks like a 930 or 934. It's got a huge whale tail on the back. It's got the old style welly wheels. It's got a little bit of suspension in the back. It's got opening doors, which is cool. The older welly cars sometimes have opening doors. I saw another Porsche, I think it was a 928, on another YouTuber's channel called Romad Cars. And that one was very cool too. So I hope to find that one day. Then we go to Matchbox. This one needs a little push because it's missing the front wheels, and the reason for that is because it is unspun. As you can see, the post is sticking out pretty far, so that means it is unspun, and that's why it fell open and the wheels fell out. So we're going to try to look at it like this. It's got wide opening doors. There might have been suspension, I don't know, but if there was, then the suspension system has disappeared from falling open because this isn't doing much anymore. So it's a 928 1979 copyright, made in England. Strangely enough, this is a right-hand drive car, which is weird because Porsche is a German brand, and on the European continent we have left-hand drive cars. So, don't know why that is. But it's a cool model. Next up is this Porsche 959. This one has a plastic base, made in Macau, 1986 copyright and 1/58 scale. I don't know if the other one had a scale on it. 928, nope. So this one does have suspension. No opening parts though. Got the license plate molded into the casting. Got a Porsche stamp on the side. Also a red interior. And the next one is one from my childhood collection. Also plastic base, Racing Porsche 935 it's called. Macau production, 83 copyright and 1/57 scale. This one also has suspension. Team Porsche, it says on the side, and Pirelli on the rear wing. And a lot of sponsorships on top too. So this might have been in an actual racing livery. Super Porsche on the wing. The body is all metal. No plastic parts here, just the base. And then we got this one. This one does not have suspension. It is metal on metal. It says Porsche Turbo, 1978 copyright, Macau production, and no scale. It does have a trailer hitch, which is a bit weird for a Porsche, but anyway. Very basic interior, but it does have a proper steering wheel. Big Porsche logo on the front. 911 turbo all around, and here Porsche written on the rocker panel. Then we got some majorette. This is a 996 911. This is in scale 1 to 57. No suspension. It does have lensed headlights. Huge Porsche logo. Does have opening doors also. Steering wheel is broken off, it seems. Painted taillights. Tampoed license plate. Then we got an older majorette. This has a plastic base, 157 scale, Porsche turbo. This is made in France. No suspension either. Opening doors. It had some tampo on the front, but can't read it anymore. This side the A-pillar is gone and the window is busted. The door is pushed in a little bit. And the plastic part in the back that says Porsche. And we got the same casting but with the wide wheels. As you can see, the wheels are wider than the body. So everything is the same on the base, but it doesn't say where it's made anymore, as you can see. So this is probably already made in Thailand. But it's in a better condition. Got the Carrera Tampo. Got a black version here. This one's got the tampos on top. 911. It's got a red plastic base and black metal body. And then this one is for my childhood collection also. Same model in red with a different tampo on top. Then I got a Hot Wheels. This is a 930, it doesn't say that on the base. 1989 copyright, metal on metal. Seems to have like a spider or something on the roof. Number 2 on the side. I got one carded still of this model, the 930. It's got the same rims as you can see. I know this video is about old unrestored cars, but you know, why not open up this one? It's on an American card. It's got a 1979 copyright, so 98, sorry, 98 production. It even says it here. 1998, 30 years of Hot Wheels that year. Whoops, knocked the camera again, sorry, that's better. So this is a mint version of that same Hot Wheels casting. Still had that same base at that time. Well, they probably don't differ much in years, these two, because you know, they have the same rims. Not the same tempo scheme, but you know, very much alike. And I got a third version. This one I got from Fax. This shows that this model is still being used today, because this has a 2015 copyright. Here are the other cars in that set. This is on an American card also. This comes from Australia. It says Porsche 930 behind the car. This is a very nice version of it, and this has a different base. Here it does say the name of the car, Porsche 930, and it's actually copyright 2011, so it has been retooled in some way, although it still has the metal base. So I wonder what's been changed to this, because I don't really see much difference, honestly. So there's even some white paint here on the rocker panel. That's cool. So to me it just seems they put another base on it, but don't see why they would give it a different copyright. So if anyone can tell what is different between these two, I just can't see it. They look exactly the same to me. Very nice model. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.